Newly appointed CEO of Cricket West Indies, Chris Daring, says he's confident former Windies captain Darren Sammy can get the job done as the regional team's coach in all the three formats of the game. Questions have been raised in some quarters over the decision to appoint Sammy as West Indies coach in all formats. However, Daring, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Thursday, gave Sammy his support.
I certainly would be expecting great things from him. He knows how to motivate. He knows the game. I've played all three formats of the game. And by coordinating all three, the intention and the theory, obviously, is that he will be able to guide players who do play all three. And there's a consistency in the approach. There's consistency in how we play each game and manage each game, manage each situation, and developing that thought process and that culture that will allow us to have a winning team.
Meanwhile, Daring says CWI has to be smart in how they spend their resources because of the significant disparity with the rest of the world.
In the 1980s, when we were the best in the world, the commercial revenue gap was no more than 10 or 20 million pounds a year. Today, our commercial gap with India is $2.5 to $3 billion US. It's not as easy to overcome that gap with just pure talent, which is what we have, a high athletic quotient. So we're going to have to make sure that we capture all the athletic talent that we have at our disposal, or the best of it, because we're competing with other sports in the Caribbean. But we also then have to deploy the resources efficiently to make sure that we once again regain our competitiveness.